Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Alright, so this next video is on vital breathing. How do you pore breathe? What is the basic quality? So what we're going to do is bring the hands up and use a very, very gentle attention to the breath and start breathing into the space between the hands. Breath, mind, outside the body, breathe into the space between the hands. Now, after doing this for a minute or two, I want you to gently stretch the fingers in synchronicity with your rib cage. So as you breathe in, stretch your fingers open. As you breathe out, relax the fingers. And as your ribs move, there's a synchronicity between your rib movement and your finger movement. So synchronize those two together. Once there's a synchronicity there, you'll be able to relax throughout the whole body and you'll start to feel the whole body breathe. If you want to amplify the energy, focus your will onto the breath, onto the stretch, into the ball, and concentrate your awareness in the ball. And those magnetic fluidic qualities will increase in your sense of feeling. Then put that into the whole body, observe the whole body breathing, identify with the energy, apply a soft will like moving a feather with your breath, and breathe through the whole body. This whole body vital breathing over a period of a few weeks will amplify. Then you can put a self-fulfilling prophecy into that vital energy. What do you want that energy to do? So if you want to enter into deep stillness and equanimity, you breathe the life force in with a self-fulfilling prophecy of stillness and quietude. You relax, breathe out, fulfill the prophecy, go into the stillness. Breathe the life force in with the prophecy, breathe out, enter the stillness. As you repeat the self-fulfilling prophecy and you animate this idea with life force, your mind will become very still. The static in your body will start to dissolve and disappear. And as you enter into that equanimity, your mind will enter into what we call samadhi, one-pointed concentration. Samadhi is accompanied by a very, very profound deep stillness. And this is how you know you're in samadhi. Time is released, space is released, and your mind has an infinity quality to it. So vital breathing teaches you how to do this. If you're practicing Hermetics, you'd separate the vital force into the earth element, then you'd bring that into stillness. The water element, bring that into stillness. Air element, bring that into stillness. Fire element, bring that into stillness. Go into the solar plexus, enter the meeting point of the electric and magnetic fluids of the body, engage that stillness, touch the elements again, producing deeper levels of stillness, and then you'd enter into samadhi because you'd balance the elements out. But it's very achievable just from breathing vital energy and generating a self-fulfilling prophecy of equanimity and stillness in the vital energy. And as you breathe and relax into it, it generates those conditions. It fulfills the prophecy of equanimity. You enter into samadhi, and then deeper equanimity arises for insight. It's a very, very simple, direct path, and it's how you whole body breathe. Okay, thank you for your time. See you on the next video.